You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this condition in British English and how it is pronounced in the US as well. An inflammation or ascending infection of fetal membranes, usually due to untreated infection. British English pronunciation, how to pronounce it in the UK. Chorioamnionitis. 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 Now in the US it's more generally pronounced as chorioamnionitis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.